Okay, I'm going to try to create a quick little video here. This is the first time I'm doing this, so hopefully it'll turn out. But here's the problem that you're telling me that you're having, is that you don't understand how the formulas are working. And so what I want you to try to picture here is that this figure right here it's like a square, but then there's one piece that's missing, which I'm going to mark here in red. So think of this one as one dot that's sort of missing. If you look at the second figure, you have a square here, and then you have these dots missing. So that looks like a triangle, just a simple triangle with three dots. And then if you continue this pattern looking at squares like this, you're going to notice that here you have, in this particular corner, you have another series of dots. And what you'll notice here is that these are just the triangular numbers. So in red, this is triangular number 1. This one here is triangular number 2, which is 3. And this one here is the third triangular number, which is 6. And you can probably figure out what this one is. So what you want to notice here is that the textbook talks about triangular numbers. T sub n is given to you with a formula, and you can find that in the text. And so basically the idea we have here is that each of these figures is a square, a full square, and you found the formula for that. In your post you'd have n plus 2 quantity squared, and you can check that to see that it works. And so essentially what you're going to have to do now is take away the little triangle that is up in that upper right corner. So you're going to subtract the formula for the nth triangular number, and that's from the text. So this is going to give you the nth figure in this sequence, which you can see up here. So d sub 1 is equal to 8 up here, d sub 2 is equal to 13, d sub 3 is 19, d sub 4 is 26. And then once you have this formula here, and this is just going to involve n right here, it's all going to involve n, then you can go and check to make sure that when you plug 1 in, you get 8, when you plug 2 in, you get 13, and once you've checked it, then you can use the resulting formula to then proceed with the rest of the problem. All right, so I hope that helps. If not, then we'll try something else.